Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials. Sign into your Microsoft account and confirm date, time, and region settings match your location. Once done, install any pending Windows updates and reboot. This often resolves background dependency issues. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and record error codes. This gives you precise direction. If the troubleshooter auto-fixes something, test the store now. If not, move on to deeper repairs. Now focus on the store itself. Run WS Reset. EXE wait until the command window closes and the store opens. This clears the cache and fixes many startup errors. If problems persist, open Settings, select Apps, find Microsoft Store, then choose Repair. If repair fails, pick Reset, which preserves settings in some cases. When neither helps, open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the store package. This reinstalls the app framework. Make sure to reboot after re-registering to apply changes. Finish by verifying your Microsoft account permissions. Sign out of the store, then sign back in to refresh tokens. Next, check for and install pending updates for core system apps in the store, then try downloading a small free app to confirm functionality. If the store still fails, create a new local or Microsoft-linked user and test there. This isolates profile corruption. If that works, migrate your files. If not, note the persistent error code and escalate with system logs or Microsoft support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.